Yeah, it's basically just chaos at this point. Anyways, let's see. Got like Taco over here killing people like a fucking maniac.
Savage, I'm sorry, Wolf, who killed you. Basically, assholes.
Yeah, like bro, like good old JFK over here, still alive and kicking. Like, come on, man. Hey, like, you can't take any chances in this kind of shit.
I murder white people.
Well, I'm white, so does that mean I'm next?
I'm white as well.
Whoa, wait, hang on. What the oh my god, what the fuck? Look at the size of this fucker.
Why is there a giant bird? Why is there a giant...
I don't know what that is. Is that a transformer? I'm at a loss for words here. Hi, how are ya? Oh yeah, you looking nice and deadly.
You are taken. Let's go.
Also, how are these two little assholes still alive? Like, come on, they should be dead by now. Yeah, they for real still alive. Like, Taco has not yet killed them. Oh my god! Yo! Yeah, you guys actually did it this time! Yo, let's go, JFK! Yeah!
Someone shot me!
Yeah!
Shot me dead, it was this man!
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah, he shot you dead because you were killing people with a knife!
I think it was the perfect time.
Can we switch into teams?
Charlie, really intense moment, Charlie Brown.
Yeah, team.
Wait, hold on, that's like a...
Who's the leader of this? Can someone switch into teams?
Well, too late now. Anyways, come on, let's go survive. And JFK, please, for the love of God, do not betray me here. Let's just follow Master Chief. That can't possibly go wrong. Oh, shit. Lock that door. Wait, who got stabbed? Oh my god!
Are you happy I didn't betray you?
Yeah, I'm happy, but I still fucking died! I can't fucking raise my hand! I'm just gonna crouch because I can't fucking raise my hand! I'm on PC!
Well, I guess you could say they cut to your chase.
Dude! Wait, what? How did he stab me from the door? Oh my god, he got the detective. Yeah, and yeah, there goes, yep, Nova's dead. He is so, yep, there goes Nova. Only Taco and Kaden are left. We all got stabbed. What are you all talking about?
He's playing the piano.
Not for much longer.
Burger King guy.
Only Kate is left, and he's the one with the gun. I swear to God, if he screws this up.
Where's #1 footleg?
Like, if he dies, he better make like a cool pose or something. He had better make a cool pose.
Oh, he's going towards the...
Yeah, he's going right towards him. Bro, dude. Oh, God. What? What? Yo, how did he do that?
I shot him and he threw me. Guys, we gotta team up.
Yo, okay, like, okay, hang on. Hang on, let me just, let me take a look at this. Wolfie, you're the master.
On teams.
Yeah, only Wolfie can do that. Wolfie's right over here. Yeah, Wolfie. Yeah, Wolfie. Yeah, right here. I got her.
Teams.
Yeah. I'm not even gonna kill us to see what this does. Alright, let's go. I'll start it.
Yes. Ooh. Damn.
Jam. Wait, that fast? What? How is the game over that fast?
He's
Yeah, let's just, yeah. Hopefully this time I get into a circle on time.
Why are you here?
I don't know.
You're not a part of us.
take the shot, kid.
Don't mind me, I'm just hopping into this circle. Alright. What the? Who's moaning slash screaming over here?
Bystanders.
Okay. No, not. Wait. What the fuck? What? Oh my god! Yo!
I was fucking with this guy because I always lost shot.
Yo! I actually lost track of you! You got killed before me?
Wait, was it not you?
No, it wasn't me! There's fucking two of them! It was both Wolfie and Savage!
We're literally the trio. The strongest trio imaginable.
And yet you're still like, wait, hold on, did you guys die or something?
Oh, I feel betrayed.
Oh, don't worry, I wasn't killing people.
I'm gonna get over here with you guys.
Very nice family, don't
Yeah, we're all cool here.
No, we're not. They're not. Damn, your kid beats.
Okay, yeah, like those two over there are getting all lovey-dovey and shit. What the? I thought there was blood for a second there. Oh hey, okay, like I don't think there's any gun in there, so. Wait, what? Hey, wait, God!
Hold on, that's done.
Lock the door! Lock it! Run! Come on, man, run for it! Hurry up, run! Wait for me! Don't leave me! Guys! Listen!
I'm sorry.
Lock the fucking door! Fine, let's get out of here! Come on!
This guy's a bystander.
Yeah, yeah, we're on the same team!
What happened? It's Wolfie and some other dude.
Wolfie, again?
Then it's Savage.
I don't think it's Savage, because it was him last time. Also, why'd you let the door on us? We could've died!
Well, I don't know. I panicked.
Yeah, that was rude. Like,
Yeah, we could've died! It would've been entirely your fault! No pressure or anything, and now we're all trapped in here! We're trapped with furries! We're trapped with furries over here! Get us out of here! Nice.
forget the president out.
Protect the president at all costs! And wait, what? This door's locked!
Protect the president.
Wait, hold on, does that mean I should be going ahead of you? Cause, you know, like, you're more extendable. Like, I mean, it's not, that's not what, Okay.
Leave me.
Wait, don't leave me here!
Let me out.
Thank you. Thanks for leaving me. Well, there's a bear shop in here, so.
Jim, I don't have anything. Oh, you're hip.
Also, is it just me?
Crash.
Yeah, he be lag. Yeah, he be lagging. Dude, you okay? Oh god! He got me killed!
Like it really is, you know.
A Caden killed me.
Yeah. Karate, you know, I'm his buddy, you know. You know.
Yeah, I know!
Yes, sir.
Like JFK got me killed back there!
Right up my ass.
God, Hellish Season's the worst. Okay, yeah, I can see him now.
I have gun. I have gun.
I am lagging.
Stand down.
Damn hell.
What? You're a fucking dog. What are you gonna do? You won't fucking do it, pussy! Fucking shoot me! You won't! No balls! You fucking won't!
Head. You have a metal head, metal arms, metal feet, metal legs, a metal dick, and a metal chest. I just realized.
Yeah, that's right, I got a metal dick! That's right, I got balls, you don't! You're a dog! Yeah, I'm just gonna join the side of the anime girls.
Why game do I?
Hey, buddy, you're alive! Let's go!
Yeah, my game died.
Yeah, I saw that. I just saw you running, and like 1 minute, you just like did.
What does white man mean? I am quite white. Yes, I am.
We are all white here.
I die last.
Alright, let's go, let's go. Okay, good. You're a bystander. We're bystanders. Let's go.
Isn't that what that means?
Wait, did you lock the door? Hey, Wolfie.
The white guy always dies. That's no murder.
Are you sure? Because, like, in a movie full of white people, usually the white guy dies first. Like, the funny white guy.
No, the black guy dies first. Let's be real. The token black guy.
Right, the real ghetto one, or...
No, just any black guy. They always die first.
Yeah, that's like... Wait, hold up. I think I just heard a knife being brandished just now. Okay. Oh my god!
Yes, I am.
Oh my god! Like, bro. No, I heard a knife being brandished, and I guess, by the time we were halfway through that door, we died.
Oh, you're so scary.
I don't play this game enough. I don't know what white boy means.
I don't know, probably just means that we're fucking white, or stupid as shit.
I got.
It is.
It feels like ass. Like literal ass. Like dog shit ass.
I want to see what else
Fast fuck, boy. Fast fuck.
Wait, oh my god, wait, hold on, how are you? Oh my god, you are fast as fuck. I can't even see you. Okay, there you are. Lost track of you. Because of how fast you were going.
Dating virtually kind of sad.
Oh god, I can see through you.
Oh my god, yes. And we got a fucking clone trooper over here.
He gave me too much PTSD.
This is my grandpa.
Why you're not gonna introduce me either? Racist?
And this is my other grandpa. He's very racist.
Not to the exhausted one.
Hey, yo, Benders.
Yeah?
Did it feel good to kill the Jedi?
Yeah.
Cool. Hook me up sometime.
Yes, it did. Especially the younglings, those were the best. Long story, it's Star Wars.
He's right there.
Okay, yep, game's over. GG.
Makes sense.
I need to get my swim grabber back.
Yes, I.
You fucking took me from behind.
He scared the shit out of
Yes.
Get over here.
He's no fun.
Yeah.
He's kind of lame.
I've had a crush on this one a lot longer than I did on Foxy, so.
Oh, that's nice. That's good to hear.
Alright, let's go. Wait, what?
I'm sleeping.
That's sleeping.
Run.
Just do a little bit of stab here and there.
Wait, what?
Stab the guy that's in this.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna bounce. Guys, run! Guys! Oh, thank God.
Are you? All the detectives.
Wait, hold on. Like, the detective's still alive?
Let's go.
Ah! Ah! Oh, God! Oh, my God! Shit! My God! You just fucking came out of nowhere and started... Bro! There you are! I was wondering where you went during the team selection.
Oh yeah, I got murdered.
Yeah. Yo. Alright, let's do this again. This time, hopefully we don't die in like the first 2 seconds.
Yes.
Like me. Like, Bennett just came out of nowhere and fucking knifed me.
That sucked.
Yeah. Like, like deadass came out of a corner, out of nowhere, then just killed someone else before me. Oh shit. Oh yeah, murder bros! Yeah, brother! Okay.
Someone right there, dude.
Okay, hang on.
What the fuck?
Hang on, I have an idea. Hang on, just to go do your thing. I'll go do stuff.
Dude, you wanna come in?
Yeah, I'm coming. Is that the door I'm trying to get into?
Yeah, it's pretty wicked. I got some hostages.
Dibs! Yeah.
Kill the board!
Yeah! Let's go! Now let's get out of here. And yeah, if that was me, I'd turn out the lights. I'll go find another switch. You go on that killing spree. I'm gonna go head back to this basement.
What are they?
Kill them! Kill them all! Get him!
Fuck up.
Wait, where'd he go? Ah, it's in here. Where the fuck is that knife? Hurry. Yeah, I need to clean this room out. Light should be going out any... Yep.
Dude, we're so scary.
Alright.
It's a night. It's a night. It's a night. It's a night.
Come back here! Get back here! Ah, shit!
Oh, take a sucker.
Yeah, I'm like, I got someone.
Shit.
Come on, man.
Somewhere I was trying to like relax in a world for once, and I was like, shit. So I found a corner, and I was trying to hide.
It's okay. It's okay. He isn't on first anymore, so you don't.
Yeah, I was awesome. Just killing people for no reason.
He doesn't get on anymore. Because,
Yo! Yeah! We did it! Yeah! Let's go! And I killed the detective too! Woo! Yeah!
Where's the little ferret that was in the kitchen?
Yeah, I don't know. Come on, get in here, come on.
Oh yeah.
Come on. Let's get this shit on!
Let's get this bread.
Yeah. Wolfie, come on. Oh, too late. Oh, shit! We're the detective!
Damn it.
Yeah, just watch my back, okay? Just, I have a habit of getting knifed from behind.
It is I, the deputy.
Sir.
Alright.
Weapons. I'll get weapons.
Okay, like, okay. Wait.
Shoot this one. He has guns.
Wait, no, I was just.
Okay, it's not. Oh my god! No! I'm fucking dead! No! No! The one time we turned off mags for like 2 seconds and we're dead! Yo! Oh, come on! Again with these locked doors! Why are so many fucking locked doors? Bro, open these fucking doors! Oh shit! Yeah, I just went on a fucking murdering spree. Wait, hold on, was it you that got me? JFK, did you get me?
No, it was one of my shine knights in armor.
Yeah, I killed like 2 of them!
God damn, that's one sexy beast.
I know, right? Yeah, look at that blood-covered armor.
oh, you dumbass. Okay.
That's nice.
Yeah, really nice. Oh shit, we spawned in the bathroom. Hey, where'd you go? Okay, I walked into this. Alright, we're all in here, so I guess it's
No
only...
one's leaving this room.
Yeah, I didn't think so.
Except
Oh, there you are.
It's not me. No.
Hey, me! Me and my buddy here just spawned into the bathroom.
Cricket, take the shot.
Huh. Alright, let's go. Let's...
Oh yeah. It's the red hair guy.
I'm going to... Wait, where is he? Wait, where did he go? Where is he? Oh! Whoa! Oh my god! Run! Wait, no! Don't leave me here! No! Wait, guys! No! Don't leave me here! Why? What?
I'm sorry. Let's go.
Ah! Run! No! Why is this door locked? Ah! Oh my god! Oh! We're alive! We're alive! Yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! We're alive! Yeah! Oh my god, yes! Oh! Yeah! I But it's amazing! Oh, 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 oh.
It'd be like how I have to be in Blade Sorcerer with an axe. First, I meet this person's what? Well, ex-wife.
Ex-wife, yeah, there's always an ex.
My wife's
I don't know, somebody with ex-wife. Oh my god! What? Bro, how am I the only one that died out of that fucking group? Seriously! Like, come on! Man! Oh, wait, there's Sandwich. And there's Gaden. Yo, what up, guys? Well, at least I didn't, ow. Yeah, this is payback for earlier, isn't it? For me, just fucking 360.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought so. I just fucking come out of nowhere, 360 no scope you. And yeah. What's your bigger brain?
Okay, so if I go back to default and then go to local, flip my camera around and put it like above me, I can see like if anybody's behind me.
Oh yeah, that's actually a good idea. Yo, what up? Anyways, yeah, like my group, the group I was in is still alive miraculously. Except, oh, yeah.
God damn it, dude.
Yeah, I know. Like, how am I the only one that died in that group? Like, I was the first one to die. Like, you saw that, right? Yeah, like, how did you guys get away?
Dude, I ran.
And I'm guessing Benders did too, because he's still alive. Like, out of the three of us, he's the only one left. Oh, shit. Oh, wait, never mind. Oh, wait. I see Owl. He's about to make his move, but I think Benders is safe.
Wait, nice man. Oh, you bet. Oh, JFK's right there. Cool. He's dead.
Yeah, but at least it's over. Oh shit, there goes Eye Patch. All three of them are going for him. And they're all just... Wait, what the f... They were all in the bed with him. All three of them. It was like some kind of orgy going on.
Hey, you have a foursome over there?
Yeah. Hey, yeah.
What the fuck is going on? I first meet Nova and crazy shit happened while I was gone.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
I don't know, man. I don't know. Anyways.
Okay.
Alright, where's JFK?
Anybody else that I missed? Like Rob or something like that happened to her?
She's gone. She's dating John now.
I saw the matching profile, so it makes sense.
Not to mention, she's starting to John really.
Oh, yo. Ah, we're detectives now.
Take gun.
Damn it!
Yep.
Wait, what? How did the game end that fast? The moment you grab the gun, the game ends!
Bro, I just went full genocide with the whole thing. No one could have survived that.
Yeah.
So you're saying about Cross? You're saying Cross?
With Ganyu. Yeah.
Zoro?
Hold on.
Wait. Look. This one has abilities. I think we're the same one. This one also.
Okay.
You going? And then I'll
Alright.
get everyone else.
Well, I'm going.